Welcome to my channel. I am back with another hair video, and today I am collabing with Hurela hair. They sent me this body wave wig and I ended up straightening it because I did bleach the knots. But y'all about to get right into this video. I'll be showing you everything that I did to complete this look. Okay, so this is the final look. I did do the baby hairs kind of extra, so I did go back through and I plucked them and I added makeup, some concealer as well to give it a better look. Everything will be in the description box as well as my discount code. You can use my discount code SIS to get money off your purchase if you are interested. Y'all know tax season is coming, so yes, sis, go get you an affordable wig. I love this hair on this wig. It's definitely giving, definitely bomb. As I said before, everything will be in the description box, literally everything, as well as their Instagram, their YouTube, their WhatsApp, their website, literally everything, y'all. So check the description box for everything. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to go follow me on Instagram and on TikTok if you already haven't. We on the road to 50K, and I will see y'all in my next video.